The goal of the following experiment is to develop a method for studying the dynamic fracture and fragmentation of a material under high strain rate tensile loading for a range of initial sample temperatures. This is achieved with a gas gun-driven expanding cylinder geometry, where the sample takes the form of a hollow cylinder containing a steel ogive-shaped insert, within which is the temperature control apparatus. As a second step, the target cylinder is then mounted concentrically to the end of the gas gun barrel, and laser-based velocimetry diagnostics are installed to measure the expansion velocity at several points along the cylinder, and high-speed imaging is used to track fracture initiation and growth. Next, the cylinder is brought to the desired temperature, and the polycarbonate projectile is launched into the target. The resulting impact between the projectile and the ogive insert causes the polycarbonate to flow outwards, driving the cylinder into uniform radial expansion, which creates a tensile stress state around the circumferential direction. The velocimetry and high-speed imaging can then be used to determine the deformation, failure, and fragmentation characteristics of the material with temperature, along with fragment analysis to ascertain the fracture mechanisms.
The main advantage of this technique over other existing methods, such as the classical Winter technique or the use of explosives or tensile split Hopkinson bars, is that we can study the effects of the initial sample temperature without affecting experimental factors such as the loading or the strain rate in the sample.
Begin preparations for the experiment with a target cylinder machined from the titanium alloy, titanium 6%, aluminium 4%, vanadium, percentage by weight, or Ti 6.